guys, I wanted to jump on and do a review of this hose extender that I got. I've had it for a while now and it's just been amazing. The quality is so good. So I wanted to jump on and show you. So first of all, these ends are brass and it's really heavy duty brass. So these are really high quality. You have a male side, female side, and then you also get this female to female connector, which is really, really nice. It comes with the washers and they stay right in there. So I'm gonna just connect it here. It's 3 foot long, and then you can also see this hose it's not gonna kink. It's really flexible. So I'm not gonna worry about it cracking. So if I put the female connector on, it just stays really, really nicely. If I just need a little bit longer, you know, I can use this. I have a water tank too that I can hook this up to that'll give me a little bit more length. Really nice connection. It's not spitting out water at all. It has a really nice water flow. So I would say this hose is probably one of the higher quality ones I have. I really like it. Love the brass ends, really high quality. I would highly recommend it.